Got a CHZ image file from the CHZ Photo Booth application? This contains photos taken with the GNOME Linux webcam app. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to view these CHZ Photo Booth picture files. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the CHZ archive, even if it can't fully extract it. A .chz file is an image or video captured using the CHZ webcam application, which is standard on many GNOME-based Linux distributions. Users encounter this file when they try to locate and share photos or videos they've taken with their webcam, often needing to know how to view or convert it on other systems. The .chz format is not a standard image type, but rather a GVariant-based container file. It stores the image data, often in JPEG format, along with metadata like the capture time and applied effects. This container approach was chosen to bundle multiple pieces of information together in a structured way for the application. The CHZ extension has a direct link to the CHZ application by the GNOME project. Windows often fails to decompress all components within this complex format. Windows handles the display portion, but comprehensive image editing requires suitable software. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your CHZ file and select Open With. Test CHZ if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. If you are still having trouble opening the CHZ file, do not worry. The nature of the CHZ format makes basic errors common if one detail is missed. Let's verify these key points right now before proceeding to the fix. First, opening in CHZ. Launch CHZ application on Linux, available in most distribution package managers. Use the application's photo browser to view CHZ photos taken previously. CHZ organizes photos in its gallery interface, providing easy access to your photo booth captures, with applied effects visible as captured. Next, trying a standard image. Rename the CHZ file to .jpg extension, and try opening in any standard image viewer like GNOME Image Viewer, Eye of GNOME, XNView, or Adobe Photoshop. Many CHZ files use standard JPEG encoding that displays correctly under different extensions. This provides easy viewing without requiring CHZ installation. Finally, converting with ImageMagick. Use ImageMagick command line tools to convert CHZ files to other image formats. Run convert input.chz output.png to convert to PNG format. ImageMagick handles many image formats and can process CHZ files through its conversion engine, producing standard format files for use across platforms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.